Do you ever have to merge two Ableton sessions? Perhaps you're remotely collaborating with somebody and they've sent you a session file. It's all collected and saved and everything's good, but you're missing some things in your template that you'd really like to have in your workflow. Maybe some key commands or just general organization. This trick will save you a ton of time. So I've got this Ableton session that a client sent me, and it's pretty great as far as it's very well organized, there's nothing crazy going on, but I want to add all of the stuff that I've put into my template. So for starters, we're gonna make sure to save this file. You can hit Control-S or Command-S on a Mac, and then we're gonna go ahead and open up our Ableton template. You can do this by navigating to the appropriate template in your templates folder within Live's browser, double-clicking it, and letting that load. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna save this template as a new project. You can hit Control-Shift-S or Command-Shift-S on a Mac, and here's the real trick. You want to save this session into the same project folder that the original session is in. I'm just going to save this as Transfer New. Now all you have to do is click over here where it says Current Project, and you can navigate to that original session. Make sure you add your BPM. This song is 61 BPM. And then you want to grab all these tracks. You can hit the top one and then hold Shift and click at the bottom to select them all, and go ahead and drag them into the session. Sometimes it takes a little bit. You have to hold it, let that chooch for a second, and boom! Now we can start organizing this, throwing this stuff into the appropriate folders, and now I have all my fancy pants template stuff going on. If you want to learn more about templates, make sure to check out my Ableton template video. And if you found value in this, please subscribe and drop a like or a comment, and I will see you in the next one.